white siren and Shadow, you did the things and blamed it on Sonic. Now both of you get into the police car. You're going to jail. Crap. Hello YouTube, this is Thunderbolt. This is the end of the movie. 2,130 rages. More sirens will be added to the series.
That's right, Thunderbolt 1000T. Hey, hey YouTubers. This is the end of the remake movie. 2,130 rages. He was known as the White Siren. 130 is the White Siren. 2001 srnb. He wrote a note to his brother 130 so that 130 could calm down, and he finally stops raging. And 130 is no longer raging. Two suspects, P-15 and Shadow the Hedgehog, the version of Sonic. And yeah, P-50 was the one who wrote a note to 2001 130. Yeah, 4006 and 3016 finally got P-50 and Shadow arrested, and they finally got them in jail for what they did. And yeah, the world is back to normal. TSM world is back to normal. And it's finally for the whole citizens to finally need to come out. And the progress is all clear. The emergency messages sent all of the TSM citizens, the residents, they gave the emergency message all clear. So yeah, thank you for watching, and stay subscribed, and see you next time for more new videos. So stay subscribed for more new videos. Yeah. Have a good day and see you next time. Goodbye.